Hi, today we'll be taking the unboxing review look at SCREECHERS WiLD Level 2 GATECREEPER. So, yep. This one is made by Alpha Toys. And this one, believe it or not, is actually a KO knockoff bootleg one. You know. I know what you're saying, but Mr. Blood Demon, how can this one be a KO knockoff bootleg one? It's got the official, Alpha logo seal on there, approval. Well, if you didn't know, there's a website called SCREECHERS.com, so SCREECHERS.com. They actually came out with these ones before SCREECHERS WiLD was a thing. So they were the original Screechers of SCREECHERS WiLD on that website. But they didn't call them SCREECHERS WiLD, they called them, something else. Something Fly Car. Crash Fly Car or something. I always forget what the first part is called. I always know it's something. So it's blank Fly Car. I can't remember what the first part of it is called, but it called them something else. They were the original SCREECHERS WiLD, and this one, even though it has official brand and license logo seal, it's actually the bootleg knockoff one. Believe it or not, but it's true. If you don't know what Sir Toys is, they are kind of like a third-party online website toy company. So when you buy toys from them, they're not going to come on this blister type of box. They're not going to have any images on the box. They're not going to come in a box. If they do come in a box, they're going to come in like a brown cardboard box, or they're going to come in a brown paper envelope, or they're going to be wrapped and bubble wrap and just come as that. Wrap and bubble wrap with a shipping label on it. That's it. Also, there's no instructions that come with them. So when you buy the toys, you're just going to have to figure it out and by yourself and say, oh, okay, so that goes there, that doesn't go there. I don't know how to transform this and flip it. You know what, forget it. Just F it, forget it, that's it. So it's something that, you're going to have to figure around and play with to figure out how everything works and stuff. That's kind of how Sir Toys is. Now, let me tell you this. Sir Toys, the Screecher disc there, they have two different versions of Screecher disc. They have a 99-cent version, which to me kind of looks like, I would say definitely a third-party thing, kind of like almost a 3D printed one. Those ones, I don't know if they have any maintenance in them, but those ones look like what you call a practice Screecher disc. The other ones cost $1.99, $1.99. I don't know how many discs you get, but you get the disc that comes in multiple colors, and you also get a sticker sheet. So the difference between the $1.99 disc and the disc that comes with here, the disc that already comes with SCREECHERS WiLD, but made by Alpha Toys, already have the stickers on them. The ones that Sir Toys have for $1.99, you gotta take the stickers off the sticker sheet and apply them to the disc yourself. That's it. So, yeah, price point. A level 1 Screecher disc, not Screecher disc, a level 1 SCREECHERS WiLD, about $6.99. And let's compare the box size. So, level 1, about $6.99. Not that bad price, reasonable price. A level 2, about 15 bucks, way overpriced for a SCREECHERS WiLD thing. Also, some little things here. Here is racecar, or if you know the show is actually based in Korea and it's a Korean-based show and toys. Over there they call it racecar tuner or Mecademo. Here in America we call it racecar because this is also on YouTube, and so is this. This is on YouTube. So both shows are on YouTube. Let's see what else. Yeah, so there's that. racecar is made by Mattel. So yeah, if you happen to have the older toys that you can buy on Amazon and eBay, they'll be called racecar tuner or Mecademo. It means you got the Korean one. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just that, you got the first wave or the first release, the Korean one. If you get these, it says racecar on there. They're the American USA version. That's basically the only difference between the packaging and stuff. And, also the show. If you watch the original show, racecar tuner, it's going to be a Korean with English subtitles. And if you watch Mechcar or Mechcar here on YouTube, it's going to be in English. So yeah, there's two different versions of the Screecher's Wild cartoons. There's the first version, which was horrible, just horrible. Each episode, max length went about maybe 3 minutes long, and they just kept jumping around from character to character. It was horrible. They needed to fit out and make each episode at least 7 to 12 minutes long. What else can I tell you about it? So yeah, in the first series of Screecher's Wild episodes, there'll be like little animals, like let's go for example, a honey badger. They'll be able to speak perfect English, stand up on, 2 legs, be bipedal if they wanted to. They could dress in weather clothes like a t-shirt, sunglasses, a hat, wear watches and whatever. And they would drive the cars, and then when they pulled the Screecher disc out, they would morph and bond with their cars. So, for example, if it was a praying mantis, it would go and morph with this truck and become a giant mechanical praying mantis thing. The show didn't make any sense at all. Then there's the second one in the series, or what I like to call alternate version 2, way better, just a way better show of Screecher's Wild. Just phenomenal to the max. Is the best one of the two of the Screecher shows. Each episode is about maybe 20-25 minutes long. And it involves humans, not actual humans, but anime human kids. Anime kids, I guess you could call it. And the cars, they would actually move on their own, so they drive themselves, and they were taught. They kind of had like AI, artificial sentient intelligence. Kind of like Transformers. If you've ever seen Transformers, Transformers RID, not the new one with the Bumblebee and, with Strong Arm, not that new Transformers. Well, listen, guys, I'm talking about the old school, the original Transformers RID. It was kind of like that, how that was. And I know what you're saying, well, why do you have Mechcar next to Screecher's Wild? Well, if you didn't know, Mechcar was going after and suing Screecher's Wild and saying that they had the same thing going on. At the time, Screecher's Wild had the first one of the horrible, garbage, 3-minute long, jumps around, you didn't get a full background, no bio, no history of each character type of story. Excuse me, I'm still trying to get over a cold here. So, yeah. Which, obviously, they didn't really have a case. But now, if Mattel and Mechcar go after Screecher's Wild now in court and try to sue them, they will have a case because, if you didn't know, these two shows are exactly the same. Why are they the same? Well, both of them are cars, both of them can drive themselves, both of them can talk to each other, to the other cars, and to the humans that own them, and both of them morphs into mechanical creatures from their vehicle mode. Yeah, except the only way that they morph is different. Like, for example, Screecher's Wild, they use Screecher discs to morph from their vehicle mode into their creature mode. While Mechcar or Mechar-tuner or Mechardimals, they use cards to morph. And if you ever played Bakugan, Battle Brawlers, how those ones, you roll the little Bakugan onto metal cards and metal magnetic type cards, and they, transform. That's kind of how Mechars are. They use magnetic cards to transform. And then they can also use the cards in their hand and activate special abilities and stuff. So, yeah. There's that. So, let's get on to the bad spots here. So, like I said, if I could get the camera to focus here. There we go. Vehicle. 360 flips and morph. Creature. Watch it on YouTube. alphatoys.com. So, yeah. Also, like level 2s and level 1s, you can find at Target. They said at Walmart, but I hadn't seen it at Walmart. They didn't say anything about Kmart, but I did see them at Kmart, which is where I actually bought this one from. They're going to come out with level 3, but level 3 Screecher Wire cars are only going to be sold on Amazon. And there are 3 of them, and they're going to be Amazon exclusive. So 3 special cards that you're never going to find in the store, and they're level 3. So all you can find in stores is level 1 and level 2 and, you know, some accessories. That's it. If you're looking for level 3, Amazon. Amazon's the only place that are going to be selling Screecher Wild level 3 vehicles, and they're 3 exclusive vehicles that are just made to Amazon. So maybe, hopefully, they're going to come out later on in the year in stores, but they're not going to be the Amazon exclusive level 3s. They're just going to be, you know, recover, reskin versions and stuff. Yeah, so let's open this up and take a look. Like I said, link down below in the description to, you know, SearchToys.com and to Amazon and to, you know, the Alpha Toys website. So yeah. Come on. So what's kind of cool is on the back level 2s, you can see the character a little bit better on level 2s. Like, see how nice that looks? That's how it looked in the show, and this is how it looks as the actual toy. Yeah, completely different. So another thing that's pretty cool is, so let me grab this. This is kind of like their little 3D hologram card that shows you how they're going to flip and morph from